Okay, pupils, we are on this Get Smart Plus 3 workbook. We are on page 59. So this is Now I Can. Activity 1, give directions. So number 1, turn right. So maybe you already mastered this one. So you take this box here and then turn left. So make sure you know the direction. So they are opposite basically. Go straight. And we have this one, cross the street. And then next we go to activity 2, say the animals. So duck, and then horses, this is in plural form. And we have sheep. So sheep in plural form also the same here. And then we have this goat. And then mice, but we have one mouse, so 2 mice. So this is wolf. So if plural form, this F will change its form to VES. So take note on this one. And then number activity 3. So number 1, what's the time? It's a quarter past 10. And then number 2, so this is museum. Where are you? I'm at the museum. And then number 3, how many cows are there? So 10 cows. Number 4, don't take pictures. So that's it for this page. So if you're okay, you can subscribe to my channel here. And then you can take a look at the relevant videos here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.